Alright guys, we got a new twist on last week's topic. Alright, so last week we talked about combining what's called a polynomial with another polynomial using addition. Now the differences in this problem is all the terms are not lined up for you, so you're going to have to line them up yourself. So my suggestion is you want to start with the original problem. You want to copy it exactly as it was before. So what we have here is we have 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay? Then underneath that, we're going to line up any like terms. Okay? So we're going to go first here. Okay? Now we have 2x to the third. Okay? Now we don't have any x to the thirds, so this is not a like term with any of these. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it off to the side over here, as if we had another term here to combine it with, because we can't combine it with any of these, so we're going to put it here. All right, now it's a positive, so I'm going to write plus 2x to the third. Okay, and then we have a minus 5. Okay, and remember, whatever we see in parentheses, we're going to treat them as positives or negatives. So this, we're going to treat this as a negative 2x when we get there. So this is a negative 5, okay, and that would go with a 4. So we're going to put minus 5, all right? So we didn't have any other x squareds, any other regular x's to combine here, okay? So just like last week, I'm going to put the entire thing in parentheses, and on the outside put a plus sign. All right, so we have 3x squared plus nothing to combine it with, so still 3x squared. And we have negative 2x plus nothing, so it still is a negative 2x, so we write minus 2x. All right, now we have 4 plus negative 5, which is negative 1, so we're going to write minus 1. And then we have nothing, okay? We have nothing, and that's real important that right now we have nothing here, because when we do minus, this is going to be a little different. So it's 0 plus a positive 2x to the third, which would be a positive 2x to the third. So I'm going to write plus 2x to the third. Now technically this is a correct answer. This isn't the way, let's say you accidentally got something wrong. I know a lot of you will look at it and go, oh, I put it in the wrong order. Not your, that probably wasn't your mistake, okay? This is not considered standard form. Standard form means it's gonna have the largest exponent first, and then it's gonna keep getting smaller. So our largest exponent here, okay, we have a 3, then a 2, then a 1, and we don't have, and we have another exponent of 1 here. It's invisible. This technically, you could type that in. That is a correct answer. Okay, but just moving forward, as you're getting further into algebra, when they say standard form, they would have you rewrite it like this. Again, with this coming first, with our largest exponent coming first. So 2x to the third. Okay, this was a positive, so I'm going to write plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do one other one. Just a real quick one here, where most of the stuff lines up. So let me just make something up here real quick. All right, so we got 3x squared plus 4x minus 2 plus, let's say, 4x squared minus 3. All right. So if you want to attempt this before I do it, go ahead and just pause the video. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. So remember, your first term, you want to rewrite it exactly as it was written the first time. Plus 4x minus 2. All right, now again, we're looking for any like terms we're going to be combining this with. So we have 4x squared. That has to go with 3x squared. Okay, so 4x squared. And the only other number we have there is the minus 3. Now, minus 3 wouldn't go with 4x. It would have to go with the minus 2. So we got minus 3 here. No other terms. Let's go ahead and put this entire thing in parentheses. Okay, you can put a 0 here if you want. Okay, again, we are adding. So we have 3x squared plus 4x squared. That'd be 7x squared. Then we had a positive 4x, adding it to nothing, so still 4x. So we are adding 4x. And then negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. All right, guys, good luck.